So I emailed Santa the other night and asked how things were going. He said toy costs have increased and running his sled was as pricey as flying a Boeing. I told him about our LMP packages and how that will save him some money. He said, yeah, right, save cash in this economy? Ho, 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 Chantal, you're funny. I told him, Santa, dude, I'm serious. You pre-purchase your oil changes and it locks you in for up to 4 years at that price. This would be the perfect gift for those folks who are not naughty but extra nice. Who wouldn't love the gift of not having to worry about paying for their next oil change? And with Ford Pass app, our friendly quick lane staff, it's so easy to arrange. Limited maintenance plan covers your oil, filter, tire rotation, and inspection. And gifting this to your loved ones is the best gift of perfection. Give us a call today or come down to ask our friendly and knowledgeable staff about how you can save money and maintain your oil changes without the added stress of paying at the time of purchase with our limited maintenance plans. You can purchase a plan to cover as many oil changes as you like, plus Ford roadside assistance, towing, flat repair, and travel planning. Save money? Check. No stress? Check. Maintain your vehicle with ease? Double check. That is a gift I would love to get wrapped up under my tree. Give us a call today at 780-542-4438 to find out more. Season's greetings, folks.